Great minds. After graduating from uni, a part of me didn't. And it's so saddening. Once in a while, I come in contact with that part of me that didn't graduate. Do you want to know the part? It's my test boards. Seriously, I left my test, like, I don't know. It's like the uni is after my test board. During my school days, we normally patronize people that sell bread and egg mix. We call it mishai. It's called mishai. We sell it with mishai. And oh god, if you've never tasted mishai, then you are missing a lot. In fact, if you pass through photo, I doubt there's anybody that passed through photo that didn't enjoy mishai. So today, I'm in touch with that part of me that didn't graduate. I left my test board there. Like photo is after my test board. The mishai is after my test board. So once in a while, I do make mishai myself, bread and egg mix. I do make it myself at home. So that's the part of me that didn't graduate. Is it fair? Is it fair that after graduating, I still crave mishai? Who do me this one now? Well, let's get frying. So here are my ingredients for my homemade mishai. I have 2 eggs. You can use more than that. I also have DenceKitchen all-purpose spice. I don't fry my eggs without DenceKitchen all-purpose spice. You should try it. I have tomato and pepper mix. I'll be using dark soy sauce in place of salt and seasoning. Spring onion. Ooh, my medium-sized bread. And finally, vegetable oil. So first, we're going to turn on our heat. Turn on the heat. Low heat, please. So while we wait for it to dry up, I'll be mixing my egg. First, we'll be adding our dark soy sauce, tomato, pepper mix, spring onion, all-purpose spice, just a little. So we'll give this a good mix. Okay, so this is perfect. Our pan is well heated, so you want to rub the oil on the pan, rub your vegetable oil on the pan, enough to fry the egg, and then you pour in your whisk egg. Okay, so you want to gently flip this. So while the egg is getting ready, let's quickly cut open our bread. This is enough. You set aside. Our egg is ready, so we'll put it inside the bread. Please, you want to be sure your hands are neat. This time, very lightly. And then we'll place our bread on it. The sweetness is in the pressing. You want your bread to toast and come out good. So this is what we have. And we'll kindly. Whew. The sweats are worth it. So these are our results. We normally buy this for 250. There is a package where they add salad, their coleslaw, and there's also another package where they add chicken.